explore the future of luxury on wheels. Today we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2026 new luxurious Bugatti Double Floor Motorhome, a masterpiece that completely redefines what high-end travel means. This is not just a motorhome, it's a moving super-luxury residence inspired by the DNA of one of the most iconic hypercar brands in the world. From the very first glance, the exterior of this Bugatti Double Floor Motorhome feels like it has arrived from the future. The design language is bold, fluid, and aerodynamic, with sweeping curves that mirror Bugatti's legendary automotive heritage. The body features a seamless blend of pearl white and ice blue tones, giving it a clean yet aggressive presence on the road. The massive panoramic glass panels stretch across multiple levels, allowing natural light to flood the interior while also creating a striking visual statement from the outside. Every line feels intentional, sculpted not only for beauty but also for efficiency. The front profile is dominated by a futuristic windshield that wraps around the cabin, providing a commanding view of the road ahead. Integrated LED lighting runs smoothly along the edges, enhancing visibility while adding a premium signature look at night. The side profile showcases the true scale of this motorhome, with its double-floor architecture clearly visible, yet beautifully disguised through elegant design elements. Multi-axle alloy wheels with Bugatti-inspired detailing give it unmatched road presence and stability. Even when parked, it looks fast, powerful, and exclusive. Moving into performance, this motorhome is not just about looks. Underneath its luxurious shell lies serious engineering. The 2026 Bugatti Double Floor Motorhome is powered by a high-performance hybrid drivetrain designed for long-distance touring without compromise. The engine delivers exceptional torque, ensuring smooth acceleration despite its size and weight. Advanced suspension systems actively adapt to road conditions, providing a ride quality that feels closer to a luxury sedan than a traditional RV. The double-floor chassis plays a crucial role in performance and comfort. It lowers the center of gravity, improving stability during high-speed cruising and cornering. Advanced noise insulation and vibration control make the cabin incredibly quiet, even on highways. Intelligent driving assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane management, and predictive braking, allow for effortless long-haul driving. This motorhome is built for those who want power, confidence, and absolute comfort behind the wheel. Fuel efficiency has also been carefully considered. Thanks to aerodynamic optimization and hybrid technology, the Bugatti motorhome offers impressive range for its class. Energy recovery systems and smart power management ensure that onboard systems operate efficiently without sacrificing performance. Whether cruising through open highways or navigating mountain roads, this motorhome feels refined, responsive, and incredibly composed. Now let's talk briefly about the interior, because even a short look inside reveals pure luxury. The double-floor layout allows for exceptional space utilization, creating an open, airy atmosphere that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. High-end materials dominate the interior, including premium leather, brushed aluminum, carbon fiber accents, and polished marble surfaces. The color palette follows the exterior theme, blending soft whites with cool blue lighting to create a calm, futuristic ambience. The living area is designed for comfort and elegance, with curved seating that follows the motorhome's flowing design language. Ambient LED lighting is subtly integrated throughout the ceiling and walls, adjusting automatically to different times of the day. The kitchen, though compact in appearance, is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances hidden behind SE. The double-floor concept also allows for better separation of spaces. The lower floor houses technical systems and storage, while the upper floor remains quiet and luxurious. Even during movement, the interior feels solid and stable, reinforcing the sense of premium engineering. Every detail, from the stitching on the seats to the texture of the surfaces, reflects Bugatti-level craftsmanship. What truly sets the 2026 Bugatti Double Floor Motorhome apart is the experience it offers. It's not just about traveling from one place to another, it's about enjoying the journey in unmatched luxury and performance. This motorhome is designed for those who refuse to compromise, who want the thrill of Bugatti performance combined with the freedom of the open road. If you appreciate innovation, extreme luxury, and futuristic design, this motorhome represents the pinnacle of what modern mobile living can be. It pushes boundaries, challenges expectations, and sets a new benchmark for luxury motorhomes worldwide. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest luxury vehicles and future mobility concepts. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Would you travel the world in a Bugatti motorhome? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.